Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be fixing when your Realtek HD audio driver is missing in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So for that, let us begin, and we will go to our device manager. So please make a right click here in your Windows icon and then go to device manager options. Please click on that. Once you do that, this device manager window will be up on your screen. Here we need to look for sound, video, and game controllers, this one. So please click this arrow here and you will see all the sound drivers or audio drivers you have in your device. So here, please click on the main driver that you have, and as for my device, I have here the Realtek Audio. Now all we need to do is just make a right click on that and then click on update driver option. So we will be asked, how do we want to search for drivers? Please try to choose first the first option, search automatically for drivers. Now once you do that, you will be, if you see that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then we can go back and we can choose the browse my computer for drivers, locate and install the driver manually. So please click on that and then browse for drivers on your computer. Let me pick from a list of available drivers. So please click on that, and if you see here 2 to 3 or more device driver or audio driver here, all you need to do is just to try them one by one and then see whichever from the list is working in your device. Okay, so just select it, click on next, and it will be installed. And just make a quick restart with your device whenever you did that. And then if it's still not working with such audio driver, then go with the second one or the third one. So please look whichever is working for you. Now once you're done, just make a quick restart with every or at every trial that you have. So the next thing you need to do is to visit the site that I will provide in the description box below. So let me just open my browser. You have there download Intel drivers and software. So this is the website. Since if we go to Realtek, it will take much time to download the driver. So if you scroll in here, all you need to do is just to look for the download option for your audio driver. So just look for it in this, or you can click this get started. So it will automatically update your drivers and software. Use this tool to identify your products and get driver and software updates for your Intel hardware. So you can click on this get started button and then just look for the download options there. And once you click on download, then it will be downloaded in your device, and all you need to do is just to install it. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.